Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in United Arab Emirates. The menu is Balaleet. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Blooming the saffron in rose water. Sauteing some half of the vermicelli. Adding the hot water. Adding the second half of the vermicelli to the water. After it's cooked, it gets drained. In the pot is sugar, cardamom, and salt and pepper. Then we add the vermicelli and give it a good stir. And we let that simmer for about 10 minutes. The first half of an omelet. The final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.